Hey, how's it going, guys? Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Want to bring you guys out to the water to check out a beautiful 2026 Yamaha 222XD. As you can see from the exterior, we got a white hull color with the red accents. Matched up with the black tower, you cannot beat it. Let's jump on the inside and check it out. All right, guys, now on the stern of the 222XD, stern back here, we got some great entertainment pieces. As you're gonna know, the star of the show, our table off to the port side. Easy to stow away too. We can pull that guy right out of place, put it into one of the compartments, and we're ready to rock and roll. Then if you look on the starboard side, we do have an in-water radio remote. So that way, if the kids are playing songs you don't want, you can change it. And then we also do have rear-facing speakers. So a lot back here to offer. And then we even do have some storage compartments back here. So easy to stow some of the life jackets away to drain. And an easy center walk-through platform here. Then, not only that, we got great seating on this boat. And first of all, look at the seat colors on this boat. It is absolutely beautiful. It's something so different. Really gives this kind of like almost like a murdered out look from the interior. So really awesome looking interior. Then of course we have over top of us a huge bimini top matched up to the Yamaha Wake Sport Tower, which is going to have board racks on there that you can swivel and lock in to several different positions. So whether you're storing at a dry storage marina or your garage, it's easy to stow those away. Then of course we have these massive tower speakers. Now what's awesome is that there's nowhere for me to bump my head on them. Even with a little bit of rocking of the boat, you're not going to get there, so safety is key, and they're hidden nice and out of the way. Now this being a XD, we do have some wake surf features on this boat. So you're going to notice that we have batteries right here with no ballast bag in them because they are actually positioned in the engine compartment out of the way. So this is really going to make this still a usable compartment to where we're not sacrificing any of that storage. Then, of course, being an XD, you're going to have all the nice options. So throughout, you're going to see that we have aluminum grab handles here, there, and everywhere. So really, really nice interior features on here. Then coming over to the helm station and co-captain station, we have super comfortable seating, flip-up bolster, swivels 360 degrees as well. Then we have some great features going on with the drive system here. So we have our digital throttles that we can sync to one stick, or you can go for the Yamaha drive control paddles. This one going forward, this one going reverse. It's going to give you the ability to pull up to a dock and make those fine little adjustments. And it really makes it a lot easier to drive this boat. Then, where the party is at and where everyone's going to be having a lot of fun is right here on the screen. You got all your map features and all that good stuff, but on this boat, we really just care about the wake surfing. So we have our target speed that we can set. I'd like that to be a little closer to 11 miles an hour. We can set the acceleration the way we want to. We can have different ballast settings as well. As you can see, there's 3 different ballast areas. There's gonna be 2 positioned in the stern and then 1 right here in the center of the ski locker, which I'll show you guys here in a bit. Then off to the port side, we got a co-captain's chair that again, 360 degree swivel, adjustable back, everything you need. Then we also have some stowaway storage over here. A little flip down area for your laptop if you want to work on the water. Lockable glove box as well. And then tons of cup holders here for the co-captain. I mean, you know, he can stay hydrated and have fun all at the same time, and also keep the device charged right up on this wireless phone charger area. So really easy convenience there. Storage all the way around. As you can see, also comes with a water sport mirror for seeing those guys behind you wake surfing. Then we have this bow walk-through door. A little bit of storage. The drive system does take up a little bit of that storage, but you can lay items on top of it. It's not going to hurt anything. And then, one of the coolest spots in the house, right up here in the bow, we have a great bow filler cushion filler going on here. So you have a great sun pad to lounge out on, sit back and relax, and super easy to take down. All right, guys, now that we have transformed the bow just like that, now we have one of the most comfortable bows on the planet. All I got to do is sit back and relax. I got a nice easy grab handle here. Of course, notice the marine mat that's laid into the gunnel. Great cup holders areas right here. Speakers in front of me so I can be entertained as well. And another thing I want to talk about with these X Series boats, they have a different look that no other Yamaha has. Look at the pattern of the floor, the pattern on the seats, the pattern on the gunnels. Everything is super unique on these. So if you're looking for a little extra flair that's a little different than the rest, this is definitely one of those boats. And then last but not least, boarding on this boat is super easy, as we have a ladder compartment that duals as an anchor compartment as well. So as you can see, whether you are doing water sports or hanging out at the sandbar, this boat can do it all. So if you guys want to come out to the water, try out some wake surfing with us and have some fun, just let us know. And again, my name is Connor. Thank you guys for watching.